Ballpoint pens are an indispensable item for every student and many other subjects. That's why the ballpoint pen manufacturing industry is constantly growing, with an output of up to millions of units per day. In today's video, join me as we explore the mass production factory that produces more than 2 million ballpoint pens every day. Ink is an indispensable ingredient in every ballpoint pen. The ballpoint pen ink production process requires a delicate combination of science and technology to create highly durable, smudge-free, and even-flowing ink. First, basic ingredients such as oils, resins, and pigments are mixed together. This high-capacity mixer ensures that the ink components are mixed evenly and uniformly, creating a high-quality ink mixture. During the mixing process, ingredients such as oils, resins, and colorants are thoroughly combined to completely remove large particles and impurities. This mixture is then finely ground to ensure there are no large particles left that clog the pen tip. The grinder works by creating high pressure, crushing and reducing ink particles, ensuring their size is small enough to not cause blockages when writing. Next, the ink is filtered through many layers to remove impurities, ensuring uniformity and transparency of the ink. Careful filtration helps the ink achieve high purity, containing no residue or impurities that can affect the writing process. Once completed, the ink is thoroughly tested for quality, including viscosity, color adhesion, and drying resistance. When it meets standards, the ink is packaged and prepared to be injected into the pen tip. To be able to write, the tip of the pen plays a very important role. The tip of a ballpoint pen is made from a small ball, usually made from stainless steel or tungsten carbide, that can rotate freely in a holding frame. At this milling machine, the ball support frame is very small, but is produced precisely. The ballpoint pen tip production process requires high precision. The ball must be machined with precise dimensions down to a micrometer to ensure smooth writing and avoid clogging or uneven ink flow. In addition, the frame that holds the ball must also be designed firmly and precisely to maintain the ball in the correct position and allow it to roll smoothly. These plastic bags are being loaded into the machine to produce pen covers, caps, and ink tubes according to the required designs and sizes. Modern machinery allows the production of hundreds of sets of pen covers per minute, ensuring high productivity and efficiency during mass production. The pen shell is carefully molded and machined to ensure durability, aesthetics, and consistency in each product. To be able to distinguish each pen model, at this machine, each pen cap will have logos and model codes printed on it. This printing process not only helps identify the brand, but also provides specific information about each type of pen. Thanks to these symbols, users can easily distinguish between different product lines, thereby choosing the type of pen that suits their personal needs or specific use. Finally, the ink tank will be filled with ink and connected to the writing head. After testing them for stable operation, the assembly process will begin. This assembly process requires high precision to ensure the parts fit together perfectly with no gaps or misalignments. Modern machines and advanced technology help minimize errors and increase productivity, ensuring that each finished ballpoint pen is of the highest quality. Once assembled, the pens are given a final check to ensure they operate smoothly and fully meet quality standards. The completed pens are then packaged and prepared for distribution to the market, ready to serve consumers. Hello, and see you again in my next videos. If you find this video interesting, please give me a like, share, and remember to subscribe to the channel to receive notifications of other great videos from me. If there is any process you want me to cover, let me know in the comments. See you again.